Hello, everyone, and welcome to the crypto session brief. We're on the 19th of May 2023, and of course, that means we are on a Friday. Interesting week for cryptos. I say interesting in the sense that we've had more movement in Ripple compared to what we've had in any of the main ones which we usually look at, yeah, with the focus on one of those being, of course, Bitcoin, because Bitcoin has basically not gone anywhere. Let me open up and zoom in on the Bitcoin chart and show you where the market open was on Monday. And basically, you're looking at the market open at this particular level, and you can see where we're trading right now is this exact, and I mean exact level. So Monday to Friday, there's been not really much intraday volatility regardless, and yeah, I mean we are literally flat on the week. Um, Ethereum hasn't got much more to shout about, to be quite honest. It's also been in a sideways environment. If anything, you have got on the H4, at least on the intraday time frames, you've started to see several low highs within here. This sort of triangular pattern which we often see on cryptos. I'm just looking back here. This wasn't long ago at all, and we saw the break to the downside, and you're starting to get another triangular formation towards the end here. If it'll just let me do some drawings, and then with the sorry, it's just uh, and then the underneath one will be supporting here. So you can see we're just starting to get to the pointy end of this triangular pattern, and sometimes you do see breakouts from that. I wouldn't be getting my hopes up too much just because we've, at least for today, there's not really any main news coming out. We haven't, the correlations with traditional markets like your tech stocks, like the Nasdaq, has completely gone this year. We've been saying that over these briefs now for some time, but you can't look past this week as just complete evidence of this. I mean, the past 24 hours on the Nasdaq, for example, or even past 24 to 48 hours on the Nasdaq have been absolutely ripping. Nasdaq beast mode, flying through resistance, breaking out to the upside, and I think it's set for its best week since the end of March. Bitcoin's flat, Ethereum flat. So that decoupling with traditional markets once again in evidence this week, and the debt ceiling talk, the positive leanings towards an agreement on the debt ceiling and fiscal policy and everything that comes with that seems to be creeping forwards. But one thing that isn't creeping forwards is these crypto markets in line with US equities. Yes, we are trading against the US dollar, so bear in mind the US dollar has been strengthening over the past 24 to 48 hours, so could be a bit of a sticking point, but I just don't see it. There's just not really much going on there, not much liquidity either. Like I said at the start, why has this week been interesting? Because Ripple is usually the quieter of the markets that we cover in these briefs, and it's actually Ripple that's been one of the livelier of the markets this week with that upside breakout, smashing through that descending trend line and powering through that 0.45 level. And basically, you've had high low after high low and even high posted almost on every single day now consecutively. High low and higher high. Can we close with a higher high today? That's the question. But really promising signs there for people who are holding the underlying, or those traders who are looking to trade the technical breakout of resistance, and a move now and a run into the 50 cents handle surely is where they'll be targeting. So I don't really have too much more to add on that one because, yeah, there's no point me getting excited and fascinated over the price action on a flat market, is there? All I would say from that is, be aware, because as we know through historical periods of low volatility in cryptos, yes, it might last a little bit longer yet, but when we do get that breakout, we know that it can explode very, very quickly in either direction. If you can explode to the downside, maybe that's not the right term. That's it from my end. I'll see you all inside the crypto chat room. Thanks for listening and all the best with your trading. Bye for now.